Aw. This is my bird. His name is Patrick, and he's a really tame bird. I hope that soon he's going to be able to free fly. So yeah, he's not really that scared of the camera anymore like he used to be, and he's much more tame. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show that I have a very tame parakeet, Budgie, and that he's going to hopefully soon be able to free fly, which is like flying like outside. Like outside. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Well, you can see this, him chirping.